What's up YouTube, Kostas here, checking in how to structure your personal meal plan depending on your time schedule. Alright, so let's begin. When I was going to the high school, I woke up early in the day and preparing 2 to 3 meals, and I was packaging them and getting them with me. And when we have a break between the classes, I will eat the meal. Then 3 hours later, another meal, and goes on. So despite the fact that I didn't have access to food, to kitchen or anything, I had my meals prepared for the day. When I wanted to eat, I just get them and eat. People say that they don't have time, and then they can't eat so many meals a day, 6 or 7. For example, if you are working, you can take Tupperware with you, with your meals that you have prepared earlier in the day. And when it's time to eat, you will just take your Tupperware, open it and start eating. Now, if your boss doesn't allow you to have a Tupperware and eat, another solution, but not so good, is to have a protein shake or a protein bar. Even if your boss doesn't allow you this, the only thing you can do is wait for your job to over, and as soon as possible, get your Tupperware and start eating your meal that you have prepared earlier. Now, if your time schedule, for example, allows you to eat only 3 meals a day, and you must have 2,500 calories, then you must eat in every meal around 800 to 900 calories. 3 meals a day. Okay. Now, obviously, for many people this isn't very good because it's a lot of food to eat, and it's a problem. But that's your meal plan, adapted to your personal timing, your personal schedule. My point is that you don't use this as an excuse to not eat, or you can't eat because your boss doesn't allow you. Fine. As soon as you finish your work, open your Tupperware and then start eating your meal. A big ass meal, because that's your meal plan. Now, the optimal scenario is to eat as many meals as possible and every 3 hours. But if you can't, for a very important reason, as the reason which I said earlier, like your boss doesn't allow you, you will structure your meal plan based on the time you can eat, and depending on that time you will have 3, 4, 5 meals or whatever the number may be. The bottom line is to structure your meal plan depending on your time schedule, and don't use as an excuse the fact that you don't have time or whatever. You have time, you have 24 hours as all the people, just like me or whatever. The only reason not to eat it is because somebody like your boss doesn't allow you. Just like I was me in the high school, I have prepared my meals early in the day, take it with me, and when the time came, I eat the one meal, the next, and goes on. Don't use excuses. If you truly want to have an amazing physique and build muscle, you have to do that. You have to eat meals. You can't grow without eating. Nutrition is the most important thing. Even if you are working many hours a day, you can bring your meals and eat them at that time. You will find a way. Just don't use this as an excuse and say, oh, I don't have time, I want to do this. Because it's hard, I know it's hard. But hard work pays off in everything. You have to willing to do this. So what after you have figured out your macros, which I showed how in the previous guide, I put the link in the description box. Now what you want is to have a meal plan. You will have your time schedule, your personal schedule, and depending on that you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, as many meals as you personally can. You have to get that calorie number that you want. Especially if you want to grow and build muscle, you have to eat even more. So guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helped. Comment in the section down below if I helped. Don't forget to subscribe, share, smash that thumbs up. Follow me on my social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, so you know what is going on. On Instagram you can see photos which I upload about many things and motivational, so make sure to check it out. On Twitter also, and Facebook, the fan page I have. Thanks for watching. I will see you all on the next video. Bam!